Hey guys, okay, so I want to use this week's video to give you a bit of a tech tip, let's just say, because this has been, I wouldn't say a game changer, but it's been an absolute blessing for us over the last week on two jobs in particular. So those of you that are regular watchers of our videos would know that I absolutely love QImagery. It's an amazing treasure trove, let's just say, of old historical aerial photos. So it allows you to kind of piece together a timeline to show how a property has evolved over the years. Well, there is a feature within QImagery that I desperately want to share with you, and that is this beautiful little button called download. I mean, it looks so innocuous, right? I mean, download, who cares about that? Well, click on download, click on raster image, and what you will get is pop up a downloaded, believe it or not, version of the aerial photo. Now, what does this do? Well, if we come over to an example I prepared earlier, you will see that often it allows you to get a slightly higher quality or higher resolution version of the photo. So you look at this example I've got here, this building here, it's kind of a little bit fuzzy. Whereas down here, oh, it's so crystal clear. Well, not really, but a little bit more crystal clear. The other benefit though, is if we come down again to my other example here, you will see it allows you to zoom in closer. Now this, like I suggested, has been amazing for us in two jobs over the past week. The first job, we were trying to work out when the side veranda was added. When I looked at the browser version of the image, I was like, oh, I think it was added in 1967 or 69. Can't quite be sure. But when I downloaded that photo, got the higher resolution version, zoomed right on in, I was like, boom, baby, I got it worked out. The other example was a property where we believed it was pre-47 house. Council believed it was pre-47 house. Looking at it, you wouldn't even know it was a pre-47 house. I mean, it was butchered. But the alignment of the house on the site matched the 1946 aerial photo. The roof form matched the 1946 aerial photo. I mean, everything was screaming that it was pre-47. However, when I actually downloaded the image, I was zoomed right in. I went, you know what? The site's vacant between like 67 and 69. We were polishing a turd with that renovation. Like, I'm the first to admit that. Now suddenly I could email the client, be like, yo, so do you want to get out the sledgehammer or do I want to get out the sledgehammer? I mean, this house, it's gonna be beautiful. So, moral of the story, or the point I want to get across today, is if you're trying to use QImagery to work out when components were added or when a house was removed or any of that sort of stuff, I would encourage you to use that download button, because often, not always, but often it gives you a slightly higher quality resolution photo, and it sometimes allows you to get in that little bit closer, and that can make a massive difference when it comes to determining when things were added, removed, all of that sort of stuff. Okay, that covers off everything I wanted to talk about. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.